This video is about the overview of Power BI. So Power BI is not a standalone software by Microsoft. It is actually a whole ecosystem created by Microsoft for data analysis and analytics. So we are going to see the each part of Power BI now. The first thing and the most important thing among that is Power BI desktop itself, which is actually the major part of our course. So we are going to see in detail what is Power BI desktop. We are going to see in and out of it. So I'm not going to give any kind of explanation on that as of now. So it is basically a desktop based application for designing the report and also publishing it. And the second most important thing is the Power BI service. Okay, so what is Power BI service? It is actually a software as a service based online service hosted by Microsoft. So we'll see that now. So now what you're saying is a Power BI service. So at the time you reach the module of Power BI service, you will be given a demo account and a password and its related credentials so that you can also use it. So I've actually published a Power BI file here. I'm just opening it. So this now what you're seeing is a Power BI file which I have created and using Power BI desktop, and I have published it to the Power BI service. So Power BI service is actually a place where you can view and share the reports. So the third thing is Power BI mobile application. So you have a mobile application for Power BI which is available in Android as well as in iOS. So the difference between Power BI service and Power BI mobile is very little. That is, like, there is some functionality which are lacking in the mobile view. Otherwise, Power BI service and Power BI mobile app is almost the same thing. The only difference is one is in the desktop and the other one is on the mobile. The fourth thing is Power BI embedded. So what is Power BI embedded? It can be used to build reports into custom websites and applications. So now what you saw in Power BI service, as I told you, it is in my own account. Okay, I have a Power BI account, I have a username and password. So that is how I signed in and I viewed my own report which I have created on the desktop. So we are using Power BI embedded. What you can do is you can actually publish your data or embed your report which you have created in any of the website or mobile application. For example, if your college or your office has a mobile application and you want to embed some kind of Power BI report that you have created in that custom application, that is made possible using Power BI embedded. So we'll see a small example of that. So now what you're seeing is a Microsoft website. So on the website there are various reports of various Microsoft partners, and one among those is this one what you're seeing now. So I'm clicking on view report, so it starts loading. Yes, so this is a report created by some other person in this company. They have embedded this report on this Microsoft website, and that is why we can view it. Not only we can view it, we can actually work on it, in the sense if it is completely interactive and dynamic. So that is what is Power BI embedded. So anybody can create a Power BI file or a report anywhere and can embed in any other different website. So the last thing is Power BI report server. So Power BI report server is an on-premise solution for companies that won't or can't store data in cloud-based Microsoft domain. So that means big companies, MNCs like TCS or EY or such big companies, they have lot of clients who are different companies. So they feel insecure to store the data and upload and publish their reports on a public domain of Microsoft. So what they do is they purchase an entire domain from Microsoft. This is exactly what we have discussed in the previous video referring to the premium capacity. Okay, so that is what we call the Power BI report server. So this is actually the overview of Power BI. That's all for this video. So see you in the next video. Thank you.